Okay, so let's go over this problem. So first thing, definitely do not multiply this entire thing out because you're not going to be able to do it. You're definitely going to get some mistakes because it's like so many terms and it goes into the 2000s. So what we're going to do right now is find out some smart ways of doing this. So as you recall, multiplying fractions is just multiplying the numerator and denominator. And so let's do this. So 12 over 6, that ends up actually being 2. Okay, so that simplifies to something really basic. Okay, let's do another one. 3 over 2 times 4 over 3, right, times 5 over 4. So we're doing 2 times 5 over 4, which is equal to 5 over 2. Okay. Again, this is 4 over 2. 3 over 2. Okay, so now let's just do 5 over 2 times 6 over 5, and that's just 6 over 2. So if you guys see the pattern, there's like 4 over 2, 5 over 2, 6 over 2, and it keeps going. And the reason for this is that things cancel. And what I mean by that is when you multiply, here, you can cancel these out because you're multiplying by 3 on the top, but you're dividing by 3 because you're putting 3 on the bottom as well. So it's just equivalent to not doing it. And in essence, what you could do is have this and then multiply by 1/3 over 1/3. So these two would cancel and then these two would cancel and then you just get 4 over 2. So likewise, if you keep going, if you use this kind of pattern in some sense, so 5 over 4, 6 over 5, I'm just going to write out a couple terms and so on and so forth until 2005 over 2006. You cancel, 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 so on and so forth. And at the end, there would be like a 2004 over 2005. And so this would cancel. So you'd be left out with, or sorry, it's 2006 over 2005. My bad. Yeah. Okay, sorry. You'd cancel these two. So you'd be left out with the 2006 on the top. And so it'd be 2006, but then you didn't cancel out the 2, so it's 2. So 1003. That's your answer. So these actually will show up in early AMC8. It could show up as the first problem, first couple of problems actually. So you want to really know how to do them, and you want to make sure that you can quickly solve them, sometimes even mentally solve them. But if you're just beginning, then like definitely get it done within a minute ish. So now let's look at the next problem. Again, I'll read it out and then you guys can have some time to solve it and then we'll go over the answers. So which of the following is the correct order of the fractions 15 over 11, 19 over 15, and 17 over 13 from the least to the greatest?